So the other day, y'all saw me post my extract video. So I wanted to just kind of dive into that just a little bit further, since the other one was more for fun and aesthetics. It was a quick short and didn't really give it any information about what I was actually doing, just that I was making some vanilla extract, some cinnamon extract, and some banana extract. So I'm not going to take too long here, but I'm going to dive into what that process looks like for me and some of the supplies and stuff that I use to do so. In addition, I want to also take the opportunity right now to kind of do a check-in, see what it looks like. We started the vanilla extract on Monday, so April 1st, and the cinnamon and banana extracts I started on March 26th. So I'll go through that as well. So flip it around here and we'll take a look at what's going on. All right, so y'all saw my little setup. Let's start with the banana extract. First of all, with banana extract, you need to dehydrate bananas. So I have my nifty little dehydrator over here. And for me, the trays that I have weren't the actual correct trays for the banana chips, and they got really stuck to it. So they weren't super attractive, weren't really thick or anything like that. But I'm like, I don't want them to go to waste because they're so good. So I was like, I'm going to make an extract out of them. So that is exactly what I have done. And a little bit more of a close-up here. So I took those dehydrated banana chips and I filled this jar, and then I put, I used vodka to fill the jar up over top. Not an exact measurement on this one. I just knew I wanted a really strong banana flavor, so I filled the jar with banana. Different recipes and stuff that I've seen since, you don't have to have that much, but I wanted a really strong extract, and the smell off of this is so good, and I think it's going to be exactly what I was hoping for. Next, I have the cinnamon extract, so you can kind of see that a little bit closer there. And the recipe that I had for this was for 4 cups. You needed to have like around 4 broken up cinnamon sticks. The big sticks, not 4 small sticks. So this is what I have been using. So I got a whole bunch of these at the bulk food store. And I break these in half to fit the jar. And I did 4 of these big guys here. And then I filled it with vodka, and I'm going to let it sit. It's another one that smells super strong. Currently, it smells like Fireball, but I'm sure as the extract sits longer, it'll stop smelling so much like Fireball and more like just a cinnamon extract. And then the one that I'm perhaps the most excited about is the vanilla extract. And for that, I used TikTok Shop to hook me up with some Madagascar Vanilla Bean splits, and I got it from the Slow Food group, and so I got a full pound. This is what I have left after just doing the 1 jar, so it didn't, there's so much that I have still left, and it smells absolutely stunning, and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that. So I'm gonna put that down. Let's check in on this vanilla extract. So look how dark that is already. It's kind of hard to see. There, you can kind of see. So it is doing its own thing here, doing really good. With this one, I did follow an FDA recommended recipe, and that I'll post in the show notes. Start by making sure that each of your vanilla beans is split to expose as much of the seeds inside as possible. I show you here. I am doing a recipe that is 4 cups of alcohol. So I have used 3.34 ounces of vanilla beans. I pour it into my jar, label it, and then give a good shake and put it in the cabinet. You can use vodka, you can use bourbon, you can use a lot of different things. I did a blend of this, so I wanted to see how it's gonna affect the flavor. It smells absolutely divine, and I think the blend of alcohols that I used on here is what I'm going to stick with, just based off of how well after just, 5 days, of how well it's extracting and smelling. And so I think it's going to be the winner for me. But I encourage you to also make some of this as well. I will post any recipes or makeshift recipes that I've come up with in the show notes, so you can have those and share, tag me if you are making anything else. And I want to follow along for you as well. And if you have any other extract ideas, let me know.